I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mini. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's Bluetooth on. Then we go to the home button, click the home button, turn the rotary control to telephone, click telephone, and it's add new device. Click add new device. So now it's this, my phone's looking for, it's showing hands-free. I'll probably change to Mini in a second or something like that. There you go, Mini. So click Mini. Up here, let's change the screen. We now need to put a code in so you compare the two. So for ease of use, I'll put 0000 in, and then we have to turn the rotary control down to OK. Click OK. Here we go, 0000. Click pair. Do you want to allow your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will. That should be connected. There you go, it's connected. Also here we've got telephone, additional telephone and audio. So we turn that down to OK, and then it's OK for your telephone and your audio. That's both connected now.